Hello my friends! Today's video is actually going to be a lot of fun and a little bit lengthy. I put together 15 what I believe to be key building blocks of the wardrobe, and I wanted to create a capsule collection with these 15 pieces to show you 40 different ways to style. Many of these pieces that I am talking about today have also been talked about in one of my past videos. I will link it right above here, talking all about the top 10 essential pieces for your wardrobe. I know you guys really liked this one, so a lot of the pieces from that video are also going to be in here, but I'm going to show you different ways to style, countless different ways to style all of these different pieces. Of course, there is more than 40 different ways, but 40 is what I'm showing you today. Honestly, the combinations are endless. I'm gonna give you guys 3 benefits of having a capsule wardrobe. 1, versatility. The beauty of having a capsule wardrobe is that it is so versatile. You can mix and match every day for literally the next few years if you wanted to. And all of these pieces can be worn with any other piece that you have in your closet. Having a versatile capsule wardrobe like this will help you get dressed so much faster in the morning. And you won't get that like decision fatigue that we sometimes get, you know, where you have a closet full of clothes and you're like, I have nothing to wear. That happens to me often. And finally, last but not least, longevity. Trends come in and out all the time. It's fun to change your style, but these will last you over all of those years. All of your style changes, all of the trends coming in and out, these are gonna remain in your wardrobe. I like to believe that capsule collection pieces like this, even though they're basics, are more investment pieces. I've talked about the importance of purchasing more quality pieces for your basics and things like that. So first, let's start off with probably my favorite and most prized possession piece in my closet, which is the camel coat. This coat in particular is a bit too long, I think, for an everyday wear coat. This is ankle length coat. I wear this in the dead of winter here in Alberta, where the winters are brutally cold, and it keeps me nice and warm. I really like long coats. However, any other place, any other time of the year, I think a shorter camel pea coat is very versatile, very easy to wear, lots of different combinations, and more of an everyday style. Next is the trench coat. I really like an oversized fit in pretty much all of my wear. So I'm showing you an oversized trench coat. A classic fit would also look really nice, polished and chic. It just depends on your take, but I think a trench coat style of some sort is an essential piece. There's so many different ways that you can wear the trench. It's great for almost all year round, and it goes with just so many different things. You can dress it up or dress it down. Next up is the leather jacket or faux leather. Personally, I wear a leather jacket all the time, pretty much all year round, minus summer. I wear it spring, winter, and fall, and I've had this particular one. This one was actually mentioned in my last video talking about staple pieces, and I wear it all the time. I've had it for 3-4 years now. I got it as a birthday gift actually for my husband, and I love it. I love a good biker jacket. I think they're really cool, casual. I just think it's a great piece to have in your closet. Second to last I want to talk about is the denim or jean jacket. I believe this is an essential item. It is such a good layering piece, and it's good for almost all year round as well. It's versatile, and sometimes it can be the real finishing touch for any given outfit. You can pair it with a dress and go super casual, or you can add more denim with your denim jeans and make it a Canadian tuxedo. I've seen all different types of colored denim jackets, but for the sake of being essential, I'm choosing the classic blue denim. And last of the jackets that I'm going to be talking about is just a really light kind of jacket. I chose a bomber jacket, but I think any light jacket would really do the trick. Lighter jackets are great for when you're traveling. They're easy to pack, they're lightweight. It's easy to switch between when you're hot, cold. They're convenient. They can add to an outfit. They're just a really nice option to have. I often keep a lighter jacket in my car, even in the summertime. If I'm out and about and the temperature drops, I just go to my car and grab it. This is just kind of a go-to jacket for me. So any lighter kind of jacket I think would do. It just depends on your preference. Next up, I have 3 tops. That's it, 3 tops. One is a very light cashmere sweater. It's gray. It's very tailored and polished looking. I wear this sweater often and I've had it for many years. I know that this sweater will be easy to wear with pretty much anything that we will be putting on today. The next 2 are a white tee and a black tee. I will link all of these items or very, very similar items down below for you if you are interested and want to check those out. The last of the clothing are 3 bottoms. I have 1 pair of black trousers, which I truly do believe to be essential in any wardrobe. And the other 2 are actually denim. One is a pair of black denim jeans, straight leg jeans, and the other is blue denim straight leg jeans. The last are the shoes. I have a pair of sneakers, a pair of black booties. I have mine a little bit heeled, but flat is fine too, whatever you're comfortable in again. A pair of slingbacks, but mules or slides also work. And finally, last but not least, a pair of black pumps. I don't wear these often. I actually hardly ever wear these, but I do believe they are essential because there's always a time and a place for a nice black pump. Finally, after all of my chatting and going through each piece, let's get into some of the styling. Well, there you have it, folks. 40 different styles with the 15 pieces behind me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. Now, I'm gonna put you guys' memory to the test. Without going back through the video, leave me a comment down below and tell me which style or styles were your favorite. In the meantime, I hope you guys have a wonderful week ahead, and I will see you next week.